Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, something like that. Today we've got something interesting. This is Nongshim Naengmyeon, part of the Doong series. This is a cold noodle. It's got this alternate cooking method, and what it involves is soaking the noodle in room temp water for 20 minutes, giving it a stir, soaking it for another 10, draining it, adding on the sauce, stirring it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wow, it's like I just have enough time to do it. We've got the flake. We're gonna do the flake. There's gonna be a lot of time lapse going on here. Here is, ooh, that smells good. It smells like fresh something. I don't know what, but it does smell good. And that's a plus. Let's put this right here. Right here. Get it nice and stable and happy. Like that. Clean your stove. I can hear it already. No, it's clean. It's just this cooktop just won't frickin' work well for cleansing. Okay, so add that in, and then add the noodle block, which is this thin and wispy buckwheat noodle. Make sure it's submerged, which it seems to be, and 20 minutes. I'll be back. All right, there we are. There's 20 minutes. So let's give this a little loosening. Interesting. Yeah. Got a lot done in 20 minutes. Did the dishes. Got the trash ready to take out. Yeah. Whoops. I know this is a chewy noodle, so it's a little stiff still, but it's getting there. So now it goes for another 10 minutes. So here we go. All right, there we are. This has taken now 30 minutes for this stuff to do what it's done, and now we drain it. So yeah, or I drain it using the royal we today. Drain. Now it's a cold noodle, but this is interesting. Wow, and there's a lot of it too. If I do say so myself. Okay, so here's what we got. Maybe this will work better. Now we add our liquid sachet contents and stir. Because it doesn't mention turning this into a broth as opposed to the other one, which it sounds like it does. Or maybe this is the broth. I don't know, but I would call this more of a sauce for the amount that there is here. So let's toss this up. Whoa. Whoa. It smells, I'm going to tell you right now, this smells like Hayashi soba. I'm getting a strong scent of like mustard, which is good. And it does have beef in this mixture of liquid. So, turn this down a little bit. And, yes. I don't want to eat that much. Here we are. Cheers. So, yes, it's cold. It's not ice cold, but it's cold enough. Kind of a mustardy and what do you call it? A little bit of vinegary. Here, let's get you down like there. Okay. This actually, the timing worked out really well because in, what, 12 minutes, give or take a couple, the alarm will go off for me to get the kids off the bus. So, it worked out all right. Let me try a little bit of this, too. There is veg here. All right. Might be wolfberry. That's interesting. I'll have to look that up and see what exactly is going on there. But that's not bad. All right, some scallion. You're too big. This is actually a popular dish I've heard in North Korea as well. It's pretty basic. Cold noodle. And not this particular one, but Naengmyeon in general. I think usually a good accompaniment for this is winter melon. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, it's not bad. I would say something like this if I were having this recreationally. Generally, I don't like, for a meal, eat noodles. I generally do it for the show and for review purposes. But you might be like, what? Yeah, that's my thing. I used to eat a lot of noodles recreationally, but my doctor says don't do that so much anymore. So I listen to my doctor. It behooves you to listen to your primary care physician. Message 33792. And let's let this rotate. It's not bad. Well, that was interesting. That's it for me today. No, I'm not from Canada, just a really big fan. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Please go and check out my Patreon. $1 a month, that's all I ask, and it would change the lives of countless people, mainly just one, me. I'm low on garnish, and it's like, it's kind of spendy to do what I do, you know, like eggs are expensive. Sometimes I have to get a half a pork belly. Scallions are like, with the crappy store we have near here, I have to get them almost daily. These scallions I used today are 2 days old, and they're already like, what I have left, I've got to chuck. So, yeah, but need shrimp, need beef. I would love to have used beef with this. Chinese sausage, it adds up. So anything you can do to help the show, I really appreciate it. And yeah, go check out www.theramenraider.com. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.
To the collective!